Summer may be in full swing, but we're feeling all the holiday feels with AGF's new collective collection called Merry and Bright. Hello makers, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Melly and I'm excited to introduce AGF's first collective collection called Merry and Bright. Since our prints are so versatile and can be often grouped together to create a certain mood or theme for sewing projects, we decided to create groups called collectives. For this first group, we were inspired by winter and cozy feels, so we curated whimsy prints from different collections and designers. I think I found the perfect block to create for this collection, and it is called the Christmas Star Block. This jumbo 16-inch block would be perfect to turn into a holiday pillow or for an easy-to-put-together quilt. Keep watching for the step-by-step instructions to make this festive block, and to see all the prints in Merry and Bright fabrics, make sure to watch our Merry and Bright fabric haul video. Now let's get busy sewing, and I'll see you at the end of the tutorial. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To create your half square triangles using the 8 at a time method, take both 6 3/4 inch squares from fabric E and draw diagonal lines with a fabric marking pen on both diagonals. Place right sides together to a 6 3/4 inch square from fabric A and D. On each side of the line you drew, sew at 1/4 inch. Cut your piece on both diagonals, and then cut your piece vertically and horizontally in half to reveal your half square triangles. Trim your half square triangles to 2.5 inches. To create your corner blocks, arrange your half square triangles in 2.5 inch squares to create a unit that looks like this. Sew your units into rows and sew your rows together matching up seams. Create 4 of these blocks. To make your flying geese, you will need a 2.5 by 4.5 inch strips from fabric A and your 2.5 inch squares from fabric D. Draw a diagonal line from corner to corner to the wrong side of your 2.5 inch squares. Place a square to each corner of your 2.5 by 4.5 inch strips, right sides together. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Repeat this same process to the other side of your strip. You should now have 4 flying geese units. To make your arrow units, take 2 2.5 inch by 4.5 inch strips from fabric C. Take 2 2.5 inch squares from fabric B and D and draw diagonal lines from corner to corner with a fabric marking pen on the wrong side of the fabric. Place your squares in each corner like this. Sew on the line you drew and trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch. Repeat the same process with your 2.5 inch squares from fabric D and place them on the top of your strip. Press your seams in alternating directions and sew your pieces together to create one block unit. You will need 4 of these blocks. Sew these units to each of the flying geese units. Now you will have all your units to create your block. Place your units into rows following the block design and sew your rows together. Sew your rows together matching up seams and your Christmas star block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our Christmas star block is complete, and I couldn't be more impressed with the outcome. This star block is by far my new favorite. For more fun sewing projects made with Merry and Bright fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And I'll see you in the next quilt block tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing.